Your Imperial Majesty, Your Spiritual Majesty, Your Divine Majesty, the great people of the Kingdom, I'm happy to be here and thank you for the opportunity to speak. Ahanwo Uchechukwu Okpoko, Dean Uchechukwu Okpoko, I'm a lawyer, I'm onye elele na Ikwere na Rivers State. In the last years, more than 20 years, I've been consistent writing that Ndi Ikwere Ndi Igbo. Ndị Ikwere na-abụ ụbọchị anọ na week na ndị ihe m bịara gị taa wụ irubere gị isi n'obi gị ịwụ onye isi ndị Igbo, ịwụ onye nọ obi Igbo ji gide ike gị Chineke nyere gị ihe na-eche Igbo ndụ. A ma-ewerekwa ohere a ọwụsa asa bụrụ sọsọ Secretary General Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide. I was the first national legal advisor of the movement for the naturalization of the sovereign state of Biafra. I was with the late Dean Chukwuemeka Odimegwu Ojukwu in Washington, D.C. to open the Biafran House and Voice of Biafra International. I was in Switzerland, Geneva in 2004 to present the case of Biafra formally before the United Nations Human Rights Commission. Ana m adọ for office of the President General on January 10, 2025. Maka ụtọ nụ ndị Rivers State na Constitution on Ohaneze. I'm very sorry I bịara late. I have Port Harcourt 5:30 also Joronjo. I will come back because I cannot embark on that endeavor without seeking your spiritual permission and your spiritual blessing. Eze Keze na Ali Ekele, thank you.
And if you is oh, I didn't my kids on my body for my snake if you open this white guy, Wabagnas and Minas and Minden will be with that. Now don't chew your line of people. Check and run 9 me, my dad, maybe my Delta, my Baessa, my Mayo, my even in a book. When I get back, we do it when I come, split and jet. That don't give you organizing, organizing, organizing. To when they get, you had them, he said.